Good day all. Today I will teach you how to get rid of the common Flutter overflow errors, which is RenderFlex overflow by 18 pixel on the right, which was the raw overflow, and it is a RenderFlex overflowed by 570 pixel on the bottom, which is causing the column overflow. To fix the raw overflow error, first find where the error was created. In here you can see this data row child gave the error bottom overflow from the right. So first wrap that widget with the expanded widget, and you can see after reloading you can see the overflow error of the row which was given by the right overflow error solved. To solve the column overflow, in here you should wrap the column widget with the single child scroll view. In here wrap the column with single child scroll view and save. You can see the overflow error has gone. See, so keep in mind to solve the row overflow error, please wrap the widget with the expanded widget, and to get rid of the column overflow error from the bottom, wrap with the single child scroll view error. Like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.